Hello everyone, this is Sriram Balaji. In this video, I'll walk you through how to build your own Copilot Studio template. Let's get started. Please note this is still in preview and things may change as we go along. Okay, now log into Copilot Studio and then go to Advanced Templates. Here you'll see a template called HR Copilot template. This is the custom template I created. Let's click on this. So I'll click get. So this will get the template. This is going to take a while. Once it's done, you can go to Copilots, click on HR Copilot. Just give it a few seconds to load. Yeah, there it is. This is our HR Copilot created from the HR Copilot template. Just one more thing to add. You can also go to make.powerapps.com and click on catalog. So here also you can see the HR Copilot template. So when you click on get, you get the same interface I showed you earlier. So where you can install the template. Now let me walk you through how I created this HR Copilot template. So before that, I just want to go through a few concepts. One is the Power Platform catalog. So in any organization, there are many templates or components which are reusable, and you can use it across environments. So templates are items that represent an advanced starting point for the component. So you don't have to build from scratch. So in this case, the component I am referring to is the Copilot app template. So this helps you to build a Copilot from a reusable template. A couple of more concepts just want to touch upon. Here in the catalog, we have something called a catalog item. So the catalog item is basically an item that is being submitted yeah, to the catalog. So in this case, this is the Copilot app template, and the catalog has a publisher. So this is basically the owning entity of the application. So for example, in this case, it's the HR team that is the catalog publisher. So, and the submission is the act of actually submitting your item. Here in this case it is the Copilot app template to the catalog. And the submission request, this is result of a submission. So once this submission request is done, it can be approved or declined. You can also have an auto approval configured, so that in that case there is no approval required. And once this is approved, then a developer can actually use this template. He can discover this template within the catalog, like I showed you earlier, and then install it. That's the acquisition part of it, installing the Copilot app template. And just want to touch upon, there are a few roles, for this, like the catalog submitter, one who submits item to the catalog, the approver who approves the catalog item, and the catalog administrator who administers the catalog. Let's go through the process. Here in this case, we have the HR Copilot. I'm going to the unmanaged solution. I'll create a separate unmanaged solution where I have everything for the HR Copilot there. So I just go there and click on the three dots and click on Publish to Catalog. Once I do that, the first step is we have to say what is the catalog name. I'm just making choosing a default catalog name. If you want, I can have a new catalog, and then have to choose the main decision I have to do, whether it's a managed item or a template. In this case, it is a template. So this select primary component, I just make it unspecified. I'll click on next. Here, I just have to enter some details like title. Here, I'll call it HR Copilot, and the description of that, it's a template to jumpstart HR Copilot, which answers HR questions. The business justification, if relevant. Typically, you need to give justify why you want to submit to the catalog, and you also have which is the business category. In this case, it is the HR, human resources, and the publisher. Let's go next. The third step is the solution info. Here you can actually give the help link, the privacy policy link, and any legal terms. In this case, it is like a bank, but in a real world scenario, you would provide links to your help, the privacy policy, and the legal terms. This here, you just review and finish and click on submit. Once you click on submit, this is going to submit to the catalog. Now the catalog approval will come into play. So the catalog approval logs into the Power Platform Catalog Manager application. This is a model-driven app, and he'll look at the request. If he's happy with it, he'll just click on complete approval. And once that's done, this is approved. Now this template is available for developers to use. So they'll, as I showed you earlier, they can go to the catalog, click on catalog and come up with the Power Platform catalog. There they'll see the templates which I submitted and which has been approved. So when I click on get, so that's the acquisition, that's the installation. So I showed you earlier, that thing is how we can install the template. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.